welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my review and a bit of demo on the Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask. If you followed my last video, if you did watch that, then you know that I spoke about hair care in detail. It is a 30-minute video in case you haven't seen it. If you're new to my channel, if you haven't turned the bell notification on, all I want to tell you is that is the only video that I have put in so much effort in with respect to information and helping you guys with information. So please check it out for your own good. You might just find something good in that video. And I did mention in that video that I purchased this Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask and I'm looking forward to trying it and all that. And I did promise you guys a review if I would try it out. So here we are. I have used it thrice on my hair and I also look forward to using this once more tomorrow. Now let's quickly begin with the packaging and then I'll tell you guys how to use the product and then I'll come back and tell you about my thoughts on this product. It comes in this white tub like thing and actually this is the outer box for it. This is the tub that you get on the inside and it also has this twisty sort of a lid so that the product doesn't really spill on the outside, and it's actually quite easy to open it. It's costing 600 rupees and I paid 600 on Nykaa and I got 2 of these products free along with it. This is an oil-free moisturizer for acne-prone skin and I also got the onion juice hair mask along with it, which is upstairs. Right now all I have are these 2 things. This is a 200-gram tub in case I did not mention that. Now let's quickly move into the demo and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that they've mentioned is part your hair into 2 halves. Next thing that they mentioned is take a palmful of hair mask and apply evenly from root to tip. Now what I'm doing is I have understood how much product I need, and which is why I am taking this much product right now. But at times I just take a bit of product which I think is going to cover that particular section of my hair really well, and then I build up as and when I need more product. You don't want to use a lot of product all at once and then think, oh my god, this is a bit too much, and which is why I'm taking little by little, and that would be my advice to you as well. The consistency of this product is actually very easy to sort of spread and apply on your hair. It covers your hair really well, and they've mentioned to cover this from root to tip, so make sure that you're actually applying this from the root of your hair towards the to the tip of your hair. That way the entire section of your hair, the whole strand right from the root to the end of your hair, is going to get nicely covered, and that will help it stay nourished, and that's how the product is actually going to work on your hair. Next they say is leave this on for 15 to 25 minutes before washing it off with a sulfate-free shampoo. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about 20 minutes for sure. I like to tie my hair up in a bun. That way, the product is not in my face all the time, and my hair is also nicely rested with all the product in it. And yeah, I'm just gonna give those 25 minutes to it. And I'm done with keeping this on my head for about 25 minutes. And now we're gonna go ahead and wash this off using the Sunsilk Black Shine shampoo. I know these are not sulfate free, but they just work well for me, and yeah, which is why I'm reaching out for either or. And now I'm using my Dyson hair dryer. I don't see myself using any other hair dryer for now, at least. I do have the Iconic one as well, which I do recommend, but the Dyson one is something that does not give out too much heat on your hair, and that is how your hair is not so damaged. Just out of habit, I always like to use my heat protectant spray, which I forgot to speak about. So that's the Bee Blunt one that I did use, and I spread it really nicely before actually going ahead and drying out my hair. In the best circumstances, I would ask you to just let your hair air dry and just let it breathe and not put it through all these heated tools, or any heated tools for that matter. And yeah, that's pretty much what my hair is looking like now after drying it off with the Dyson hair dryer. Alright you guys, so here are my thoughts on this product. And firstly, I want to begin with saying that I did have a few sections over here prior to using this product that were definitely frizzy and dried and damaged to quite an extent. I used to actually apply a lot of serum, a lot more serum rather, on those particular sections of my hair to add that extra hydration, that nourishment, and all of that. Okay, the rest of my hair was not damaged, but a few sections definitely felt more drying and damaged, to be really honest. And I think that was probably because of using a lot of hair iron or even maybe coloring my hair as well. So I feel like my hair definitely lacked that moisture, it lacked hydration, it lacked all that nourishment that my hair needed to become soft and normal and natural again. Not natural, but you get the point. Okay, so I think like this product, because it has that argan oil, it has milk protein, it has avocado oil, I think all of these things together definitely upped that hydration level. They definitely brought back life into my hair. So I would really recommend this in case you have frizzy hair, if you have damaged hair, if you have dry hair, you know, for the length of your hair at least, I would really recommend this for you and bring back that life into your hair and just sort of add that hydration, which in turn will end up making your hair stronger, because if your hair is dry, it's going to be weak, it's going to be brittle, it's going to break easily. But if your hair is not dry, if it is, you know, hydration level is intact, then it will not break that easily. So yeah, I cannot really tell you how this works on the roots because I have not seen much of a difference with respect to, you know, the strength on the roots or just in general with respect to how this is working on the roots. But I'm definitely giving you my big thumbs up on actually using this on the length of your hair for sure, for upping that hydration level. And if you do have split ends, I would recommend for you to make sure that when you are applying this, make sure that you're covering the split ends or the ends of your hair really well to prevent split ends if you don't have them. This will keep your hair really nourished and hydrated, and the crow agrees. Another thing I want to talk about is that the ingredients of this product, apart from what they have mentioned on the front, which is argan oil, avocado oil, and milk protein, it also has curd extract, it has rosemary oil, it has cedarwood oil, it has tea tree oil, it has potassium sorbate and sodium citrate, and it has quite a few other some chemical words as well. So basically it's not a full-on natural product. It does have, you know, certain chemical words in it, but I would still recommend this. And it is paraben free, it is silicone free, it is dermatologically tested, it has bioactives, and the plastic, they say we recycle more plastic than we use. So okay, yeah, this is for frizz-free and stronger hair. Basically, that is all that they've written here, and that is my opinion. So in short, if you're looking at just hydrating your hair, if you're looking at just nourishing, moisturizing your hair, just maintaining the life in your hair, I would really recommend this. And I would also recommend the L'Oreal Hair Repair Lipidium Hair Mask, because I think that also does a fab job, but I do not apply that to my roots because they've not mentioned anywhere to use that on the roots. But here they do say that you can apply it from your roots to the tips. That is how you're supposed to be using this. So basically, yeah, I do recommend both of these products for adding life back into your hair. In case you're somebody who uses a lot of color or maybe, you know, heated tools on your hair, I would really recommend you to use this to just simply maintain the health of your hair, if nothing else, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did like it, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, write your thoughts in the comments below, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, comment below, let me know what you think of this video. It's gonna keep me inspired to create more content, because lately I've been losing all my, I don't know, the motivation, I would say, to create new content. So please try bring me up with respect to creating content, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next one. Ooh, ooh. It did not break. Just saying, it did not break. Bye.